Hey guys.
Hi,
This
Dad.
is Glam. Hi.
Hi.
I'm here today, me and my son, here today to color some hair. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. I'm here today to color some Aliexpress hair with Dollar Tree box color. I colored 3 bundles in a frontal from Aliexpress. The hair came from MsToxic Hair. While coloring this hair, it was doing okay. It took about an hour and 15 minutes for the hair to process. It took the color okay, but after the hair was pretty dry, even adding conditioner to it is pretty dry. It's tangling. Once I made the unit, I've been having several issues with the nape tangling up. So yeah, it didn't take me that long to make this wig. I made this wig myself, colored and bleached the knots. Yeah, so you guys stay tuned, and thanks for watching again. Also, just a quick note, I did not pluck in this video. I plucked off of camera, so you will see the end result in the photo at the end. Thanks.